Hi friends, in this video let's talk about execution plans in detail. So in the previous video we talked about the high level details. So let me go to the SQL Server main studio. So let me take the same table, select star from person dot address. Yeah. So this is the table which I am planning to take. So if you see the structure of the table, you have four indexes on the top of the table. So one is on the row grid, so the other one is on the address line 1, address line 2, city, province id, postal code. Next one is on the state province code, last one is on the address id. So now let me run a query on the top of the city column. Select star from person dot address where city equal to New York. Yeah. So here let me select the execution plan. So I want to include the actual execution plan in the result. I just selected that. Let me execute it. So once I click on it, so I'll be getting special results as well as execution plan. If you see this, I don't have any specific index on the city column. So that is the reason why indexes can happen. That is the reason why indexes can happen. So index seek is not happened on the table. Now the normal as usual key lookup happened because I have a cluster index on the table, and my execution plan is going to show me some missing index. It is nothing but it is suggesting us to create a index on the top of the person dot address table. So if I create this missing index on this table, so it will, this query will execute very faster manner. So let me create that. Can I see this suggestion? Yes, right click on it and you can see missing index details. Once you click on it, so you will get a window like this where you will have some comments which is in the self explanatory, and let's remove those comments. You can simply remove those comments and give the name of the index. That's it. You just need to give the name of the index. So here it is a non-clustered index which is provided by the Microsoft SQL Server. So let me give the name of the index. IX, naming convention is IX underscore, table name we used to give, I am giving address underscore, column name we used to give. So this is the name of the index. So once I execute this query, it is going to create index on the person dot address table on the top of the city column. So let me execute this. Yeah, the command has been completed successfully. Now let me go back to the previous query. So where I have an index can happen. So let me run the same query again. So now I have an index on the top of the city column, non-clustered index on the top of the city column. Now let me go back to the execution plan. So their index seek happened. Index seek happened. If you can see this, so index seek is 49% cost and the remaining key lookup is 51%. It means that, so earlier index scan for 93%. Now we have 49% only. Index seek of 49%. It means that, so the query is performing little well now compared with a previous query. Now you can see what is the cost. So now you can see the what is the cost of it. So here you can see estimated IO cost, estimated CPU cost, estimated subtree cost, and the number of executions and all. You can see that. So physical operation, everything you can see. So index seek happened on the top of this query because I have a index on the top of the city column. So that's it. In the next video, we'll talk about a covering index. So what is a covering index and how to observe the execution plans when we have a covering index. So thank you for watching. That's it.